Welcome to Glow 99.1 FM Business News, your daily guide to global markets and innovation. Stay tuned for the top stories shaping tomorrow's economy today. German investor morale unexpectedly rises. Germany's ZEW index of investors' expectations rose to 37.3 points in September, up from 34.7 in August, and well above forecasts. Analysts had expected around 26.3. The result signals cautious optimism, even as Germany continues to lag behind its G7 peers. Source: Reuters. CEOs doubling down on sustainability. 9 in 10 global CEOs now see a stronger business case for sustainability, according to the United Nations Global Compact and Accenture's 2025 CEO study. Nearly all say they will maintain or expand their environmental commitments, marking a shift from promises to real action. Source: PR Newswire. UK pensions will increase by 4.7% in April 2026 under the triple lock. Meanwhile, Jaguar Land Rover has extended a production shutdown after a cyber attack, and Sky is cutting 600 jobs as competition from streaming intensifies. Inflation concerns persist as unemployment edges up. Source: The Guardian. New U.S. bill threatens Indian outsourcing. A proposed U.S. law, the Hire Act 2025, would impose a 25% tax on services provided to America by foreign workers. The bill could hit Indian outsourcing firms like Infosys and TCS hard. Companies are already looking to diversify into higher value markets. Source: Financial Times. South Africa has secured oil hub stability. South Africa has granted long-term leases of about 25 years to oil majors and traders, including BP and Vitol, for the Island View precinct in Durban. The decision ends years of uncertainty from short leases and promises greater stability for the nation's fuel supply chain. Source: Reuters. Pakistan's airline returned to profit in almost 20 years. The carrier earned a pre-tax profit of 11.5 billion rupees in the first half of 2025, or about $40 million. The turnaround was supported by government debt relief and lower financing costs. Source: Reuters. Africa launches $50 billion climate initiative. At a summit at Addis Ababa, African leaders pledged to raise $50 billion annually for climate action. The Africa Climate Innovation Compact aims to deliver 1,000 climate solutions by 2030 through investment, technology, and community projects. Source: Reuters. Rising finance costs in sub-Saharan Africa. Moody's reports that governments and businesses in Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and other major economies face higher borrowing costs than 5 years ago. Inflation, weak policy frameworks, and strained markets are driving the increase, weighing heavily on growth prospects. Source: Reuters.
No other sound beats this. From dusk till dawn, we are the people's voice. Keep it locked on Glow 99.1 FM.